Hi ma'am, this is my review one and my name is Aditya B and my registration number is 18BC2284 and my topic is inventory management system. These days the wholesale and retail market business is growing exponentially and tough to maintain all the records in books. So this website you can store all your items which are present in your shop and your customer details also, and it's free of cost. So in functionality, there are mainly 5 different types I want to discuss. In dashboard, it is a place where all the other functions can be observed and you can see your daily sale. In product page, all your different types of products will be present. In orders page, your daily customer orders will be present. In report, you can analyze the sales from one date to another date. In profile, you can change your username, photo and passwords. So this is my sign-in page where username can be written and password can be written, and it's my sign up page where first name and last name would be written and your email will be written and password will be written and it will be confirmed again, and it's the sign up page. So this is a dashboard, so you can observe how many total number of products that had been sold on that day, and you can see the date of the particular day and the total amount you got on that particular day. And also you can observe how many total orders, like how many different customers came to your shop, and according to the number of, and this drag down option. So according to the drag down option, the number, you can see the number of customers came on that particular day, and the whole information would be present if you click on it. So this is the products page where all the products will be stacked up, and if you want to add the product, you want to press the add product icon which is present at the top right corner. So this is the add product icon. If you press the icon, you would get the page like this where you should upload a product image by pressing choose file, and you want to give a product name and the rate of the product and how many products you have. That's where the quantity comes, and the brand name, like if it's an Apple phone or OnePlus, and category, like is it a laptop or a phone or a pen. And by clicking the save button, it will be stacked up here, like in picture 1 iPhone, the rate, everything will be coming here, like you can do for n number of times. And this is a manage order, so it is a place where all your customer details will be saved, like when did he order, what is his name, his contact number, and how many items he ordered, that is the order item, and the total cost. If you want to add the things, you want to press the add order icon which is present at the top right corner, and the add order icon will be like this. The order date you want to give, and client name, client contact, and number of products he purchased. Like if you press 3, you will get 3 boxes. Like in review 1 I just took an example like 3. If you press 5, in my final website you will get 5 boxes, and the total cost will be the summation of the rates, and save. If you press the save button in add order page, it will be stacked up here, like you can do it for n number of times. It is a report page, like for suppose you want to analyze like how was your total business in the past week. You can start from the start date and end date. You can see all your costs, all your items, in what type of items had been sold in a graphical format. And this is the profile icon in which you can change your username and change your password, and you want to double confirm the password and pick. There's a small icon pick there which I have drawn with pencil. If you press that icon in our website, you can change the profile pic also, and by saving it, the changes would be applied. Thank you ma'am, this is my review.